Okay, this is crazy now. So from June 14th till July 12th, nobody in the Senate had heard from Mitch McConnell. Nobody knew where he was. Like, a few people said they talked to him for like 20 minutes, but wasn't really, nobody had seen or heard from him for a month. And then after a month, he puts out a photo and releases a statement that he didn't have a heart attack or a stroke or a seizure or anything like that, that he's in the hospital undergoing intense physical therapy, recovering from a fall. That's crazy. So it's been a month. We haven't heard nothing from him. And then he says that after a month, he says that he's undergoing intense physical therapy, but he's still not going to come back to work yet. He's still going to take off more time. And so the whole time he's gone, he received a paycheck for his full salary for the whole time he was gone. And the insurance that is covering his intense physical therapy is also job related, which is crazy because if you work at Walmart or Amazon or McDonald's or any other place in America and you didn't show up to work for a month and you didn't even call them or nothing, like, you wouldn't still have your job. And you sure as shit wouldn't have your insurance that you get through the job to help you recover from whatever ailment it is. But if you were a cashier at Walmart or a sorter at Amazon, you couldn't do that. You would lose your job. You sure wouldn't receive a paycheck for the entire time that you weren't there. Like, so why is it that it's okay for a senator to do that? It must be because the senator's not that important of a job. That must be the reason. You know, why we're even speaking on this, the Senate? Why is the average age for the Senate 65 years old? Is it because that the old people are just notoriously great at understanding the complaints of younger generations? Is it because old people are notoriously great communicators and old people notoriously embrace change and love change? Is that why the average age of the U.S. Senator is 65 years old? Like, that's insane. It must be because old people are so good at technology. That must be why the average age for the U.S. Senate is 65 years old. Like, that, all those reasons must be why the average senator is 65 years old, because old people are notoriously good at understanding the changing environment of the world and the changing social dynamics. Old people are notoriously good at implementing change. So that's obviously why our government, the Senate's average age is 65. Like, everywhere else in the private sector, they force you to retirement at that age. But if you're a U.S. Senator, that's normal. Like, this makes no sense. Pay attention.